Hi, my name is Ariana Goldstein. I'm from Highland Park High School, and this is my submission to the Congressional App Contest. So my app is called Language Lab, and the purpose of my app is to connect and unite people from around the world by allowing them to meaningfully engage in another language. So this is targeted mostly to students, but really to anyone who wants to learn another language. So on the right side here, you can see my code. It's all written in JavaScript. And at the top, I declare my global variables, and then the rest is broken up by which screen the code applies to. So on the left here is my app interface. So I'll begin by clicking this right arrow here. And to get started, every user must enter their school's access code. So this is just a safety precaution to make sure that all the people using the app are using it responsibly and in a positive way. So the user is required to enter some information about themselves, and they can choose from a variety of languages that they want to learn. So here's my dashboard. This user has a few different options here. So beginning with Learn, this is how they kind of learn the basics. So they can do this by watching a video. So here's one that teaches you how to say hello, ni hao. They can also read the basics. So this kind of summarizes a topic or a piece of grammar that would be useful for the user to know, as well as mastering the vocabulary. So given a character, they can decide which is the correct answer and kind of which is the correct translation. And they can see here which ones they get incorrect so that they can really master the new words. Once they have that foundation, they can go ahead and practice using flashcards or listening to a podcast or reading a story. And so all these provide new topics, new subject matter to kind of get the user well-rounded in the new culture and the new language. And the most important part of my app is the chat. So once the users input some information about him or herself, by clicking on this plus sign, they'll be matched up with someone whose first language is the language that they're trying to learn. So here you can see that I was matched up with someone in China. And so the chat works similar to if you were texting someone. So you can send messages to your pen pal, you can receive messages, and it's a super great way to get that quick communication that you normally wouldn't be able to get physically. So the most important part of this is that the app will provide prompts for the conversations. They can kind of guide it so that each person is exchanging information about their culture and about their way of life, so that it gives people a really insightful and deep connection. So aside from the chat, we also have settings, which just keeps the user's information here and allows them to decide if they want notifications when they receive a chat from their pen pal or when they should brush up on those vocabulary skills. So that's my app, Language Lab. Thanks for watching.